Hello guides, back to my channel. In this review, I tested and compared 5 products across key dimensions: protein content per serving, carbohydrate profile, fats, micronutrient profile, allergen information, flavor flexibility, mixability, digestibility, and overall convenience. Product number 1. Transform HQ Meal Replacement Shake Variety Box with phenq Shaker. Transform HQ offers a variety pack format with 7 distinct flavors: chocolate, vanilla, pineapple whip, strawberries and cream, cookies and cream, blueberry cheesecake, chocolate peanut butter. Each single-serve packet delivers 20 grams of protein and 150 to 180 calories, with a compact 22-ounce shaker included for on-the-go use. The mix suggests simple preparation with 12 ounces of cold liquid and is intended for versatility in taste and routine nutrition. Allergen notes include milk, peanuts, and wheat, which is important for cross-contamination awareness in shared kitchens. Performance-wise, 20 grams of protein per serving is solid for a meal replacement context, particularly when paired with a balanced daily protein target. The variety of flavors can reduce taste fatigue, but the true test will be mixability in different liquids, water versus milk alternatives, and the texture across flavors. Product number 2. Animal Meal Protein Shake with Whole Food Ingredients. Animal Meal centers on a high-protein, whole food blend featuring pea protein isolate, instant egg white, whole egg protein, and beef protein isolate, complemented by a nutrient-dense carb blend, including sweet potato powder, pea starch, tapioca dextrose, rolled oats. The chocolate flavor aims for a smooth, naturally sweet profile with non-dairy, lactose-free formulation. The product is GMP certified in the US and third-party lab tested, reinforcing safety and potency. This 5-pound powder targets athletes and heavy training individuals seeking robust protein and macro-sensible nutrition. Performance-wise, the product delivers 46 grams of protein per serving, which is exceptionally high for a shake and supports substantial muscle recovery and satiety. The blend's emphasis on whole food ingredients may improve digestibility for some users compared to whey-dominant formulas. Product number 3. Huel Black Edition Ready-to-Drink Vanilla Meal Replacement Shake. 35-gram high-protein drink, 27 vitamins and minerals. Huel Black Edition Ready-to-Drink is the bottled, ready-to-drink iteration of Huel's high-protein meal solution, delivering 35 grams of plant-based protein per bottle with 27 vitamins and minerals, gluten-free and vegan. It emphasizes 0 artificial sweeteners and is designed for convenience and nutrition all in one bottle. The 16.9-ounce bottle size and 12-pack format target daily meal replacement needs with a focus on fiber and a low-sugar profile. Allergen notes include milk and tree nuts, which is essential for allergy-aware consumers. Performance-wise, this product excels in on-the-go convenience, no prep required, which is ideal for busy professionals or travelers. The 35-gram protein per bottle supports a substantial meal replacement bite, while high fiber and low sugar may aid satiety without spiking insulin response. Product number 4. Animal Meal Protein Shake with Whole Food Ingredients. This vanilla-flavored animal meal variant emphasizes the same high-quality 46 grams protein per serving and the same nutrient-dense carb blend emphasized in the chocolate version, but with a vanilla flavor profile. It remains a 5-pound powder designed to provide a robust protein source from beef, egg white, pea protein, and related whole food ingredients. The listed vitamins and minerals suggest micronutrient support intended to complement high protein intake with the same GMP certification and third-party testing. Performance-wise, the 46 grams protein per serving is the key driver for recovery and muscle maintenance, while the vanilla flavor may offer a lighter taste impression from mixed beverages and shake bases. The powder form allows customization of liquid base and calorie content, enabling users to tailor shakes to meal replacement needs. Product number 5. Redcon 1 MRE Light Whole Food Protein Powder. Redcon 1 MRE Light is a low-carb, whey-free meal replacement powder featuring a blend of whole food proteins, beef, salmon, chicken, egg, brown rice, and pea protein, and MCT oil for energy. Each serving offers 24 grams protein and only 130 calories with 2 grams sugar, targeting keto-leaning users and those monitoring carbohydrate intake. The formulation emphasizes easy digestion with a dairy-free, whey-free approach and a focus on energy from MCTs. Performance-wise, the 24 grams protein per serving is solid for a low-carb approach, and the inclusion of MCT oil can aid quick energy, particularly during longer training days or early morning workouts. The whole food protein blend may deliver a more satiating profile compared to isolate-based powders.